morning everyone, how are you? Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. So today we are here with our new video of shortcut keys of MS Word. So here in this lecture we will learn about the shortcut keys that makes our task easier in MS Word. Okay, so before going to explain all that shortcut keys, we first know some or we first discuss some key points about the MS Word. So MS Word is also called the Microsoft Word. It is a kind of word processor, or it is an application software that is used to solve the user's specific problem. Means a user can do all the typing tasks and formatting tasks in this MS Word. Okay, so MS Word is application software that found under the package of Microsoft Office suite that is developed by the Microsoft Corporation. In MS Word, the document that we are created is called the Microsoft Office document. Here the file extension of our Microsoft Office is .doc or .docx. Okay, here we can apply number of formatting things to our text or our written document that makes our task or that makes our document much more attractive. Like we can do the editing on text, like we can change the color of our text, we can highlight our text, we can change the font size of our text, we can change the font style, font face of our text. Here we have number of designs, like we have monotype cursiva, we have Arial, we have number of fonts. Okay, like your monotype cursiva, Kutidev. So we can change or we all our text according to our choice. Okay, here we have different styles. We can also insert the pictures in our Word document. We are having the option of inserting the clip art. We can also insert the shapes and symbols. We can also insert the text in that shape and symbols options. Okay, and we are also having the hyperlink, bookmark, watermark option in our MS Word document. We can also protect our sheet by using the password protected option in Microsoft Word. Okay, so for further detailed knowledge of that shortcut keys that makes our task more easier and that also saves our time, we will move to our slideshow screen. Okay.
Friends, here in this video we will learn the shortcut keys of MS Word, okay, that makes our task easier and smarter. So let me start here. The first shortcut key is Ctrl+0. The means or the description of that shortcut key is toggle 6 points of spacing above the paragraph. The next key is Ctrl+A. It is used to select all contents of the page. Means if we want to select the whole content that is written in the document page, then we will click on the Ctrl+A key. The next key is Ctrl+B. Ctrl+B is used to bold the highlighted selection. Means if we want to do the bold any particular written text, then first we have to select it, then that text, and after that we will click or we will just drag the Ctrl+B key. The next type of key is Ctrl+C. It means it is used to copy the selected text. The next is Ctrl+D. Ctrl+D is used to open the font preference window. Means it is used to open the font box. Font box means a box that contains all the things or all the tools related to your font, like your font face, font size, font style, strike through, highlighted text, at all. Okay, in a single window it can consist it is called the font box. The next type of shortcut key is Ctrl+E. Ctrl+E is used to align the line or selected text to the center of the screen. Means if we want to assign any particular text or any selected thing in the middle of the page, in the center of the page, then we will use the Ctrl+E key. The next key is Ctrl+F. The Ctrl+F is the shortcut key of open the find box. Means if we want to search or if we want to find any particular keyword from our document, then we will press the Ctrl+F F shortcut key. The next is Control plus I. Control plus I is the italic highlighted selection, means if we want to do the italic, means a basic slant, a little slant to effect to our written text, then we will use the Control plus I key. The next is Control plus J. It is used to justify the screen, means align the selected text or line to the justify. Okay. The next is Control plus K. Control plus K is the shortcut of the hyperlink, means it is a kind of link that is used to connect one page with the another page. Okay. It can be the multi-line comment. The next is Control plus L. Control plus L is used to align the line or selected text to the left of the screen, means if we want to put any of the text to the left of our screen, then we will press the Control plus L alignment key. The next type of key is Control plus M. It is used to indent the paragraph. Control plus N. It is used to open a new or a blank document window that is provided to the user to perform any specific or to perform any of the new task. The next type of key is Control plus O. Opens the dialog box or a page for selecting a file to open, means Control plus O is the shortcut key to open any existing file that is pre-made by the user. The next type of key is Control plus P. Control plus P is the shortcut key of open the print window, means if we want to give the print command to any of the page, then we will use the Control plus P shortcut key. The next is Control plus R. It aligns the text to the right side of the screen. The next is Control plus S. Save the document, or by using the Shift plus F12 we will also save the file. The next is Alt plus F or Alt plus A. It saves the document under the different file name, means if we want to save the file with the another name, then we will use the Alt plus F or Alt plus A shortcut key. The next is Alt plus X. Show the Unicode of the highlighted character. Control plus T. It is used to create a hanging indent. The next type of shortcut key is Control plus U. It is used to give the underline to the selected text. Next key is Control plus V. It is used to paste the data, means once we copy or once we cut any data, it will move to the clipboard option, move under the clipboard option. So if we want to paste that data, then the shortcut key to paste that data is Control plus V. The next type of key is Control plus W. It is used to close the currently open document. Control plus X. It is used to cut the selected text. Control plus Y. Redo the last action performed. And Control plus Z. Undo the last action. These are some basic keys. Now we will moving towards some advanced key that is used in the MS Word. Control plus left arrow. Okay, so first is Control plus left arrow. Moves one word to the left. Control plus right arrow moves one word to the right. Control plus up arrow moves the beginning of the line or the paragraph. Control plus down arrow moves the end of the paragraph. Control plus delete. Delete word to the right of the cursor. Control plus backspace. Delete word to the left of the cursor. Control plus and moves the cursor to the end of the document. Control plus home moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Here two keys work vice versa, like if we want to go to the end of the document, then we will use the Control plus end key, and if we want to go to the beginning of the document, then we will use the Control plus home key. The next is Control plus spacebar. Reset the highlighted text to the default font. means it is used to reset all the default formatting that we can apply it on in any of the font or written text. Control plus 1 for single space lines, control plus 2 for double spacing lines, and control plus 5 for 1.5 line spacing. F1 is the shortcut key of the open help menu. F4, repeat the last action performed. F5, open the find, replace and go to windows in Microsoft Word. F7, spell check and the grammar check selected text or the document. Here, green line represents the grammatical error, whereas the red line represents the spelling error. F12, save as. Shift plus F3. It is used to change the text in the Microsoft Word from the uppercase to lowercase or a capital letter to the beginning of every word. The next key is Shift plus F7. It is used to run a thesaurus check on the selected word. Shift plus F12. Save the open document like Ctrl plus S. Here, Ctrl plus S and Shift plus F2. The work of both the key is similar. Shift plus Enter. Create a soft break instead of a new paragraph. Shift plus Insert. Paste. And Ctrl plus V is also the shortcut key of paste. Shift plus Alt plus D. Insert the current date. If we want to insert the current date or today's date in our document, then we will use the Shift plus Alt plus D shortcut key. Insert the current time. Shift plus Alt plus T. Here some of the important keys that are mostly used is that alignment key. Like for the right alignment, that Control plus R. For the left alignment, Control plus L. For justify, Control plus J. And for the center alignment, Control plus E is the shortcut key. I hope you all are clear with all these shortcut keys.
So that's all about today's presentation. If you have any doubt, any query related with the video, then you can ask me. You can drop a message in the drop box. Okay. So what you have to do here, you have to perform all the practical tasks by using the shortcut keys in your system. Okay. That is beneficial for you, and you can learn how we can perform these shortcut keys while we are working in the MS Word. Okay, and we can also save our time while we are using these keys. So thank you, have a nice day.